Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to be doing some styling with you from home with one of our wigs, Laurie from the Fair Fashion Collection. Now Laurie's colour is 9/28/25. Look at those colours running throughout this. This is the finest quality European human hair in the Fair Fashion Collection, and this has just come straight from the box, so you know, it just looks absolutely beautiful. Now Laurie has the Confidence Cap Plus, which is a lace front. You can see that lovely natural top, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a very light cap. The Confidence Plus cap is absolutely fantastic. So really light. It feels like there's nothing on the hair. So what am I going to do with Laurie today? Well, today I'm going to do one of my favourite textures, with it being human hair. I'm going to use the triple barrel waver. So I'm going to create a triple barrel waved effect. So that's the barrel in the middle. And you cap those together and it gives you a gorgeous beach wave effect. And just make myself a nice fine section. Sectioning clips are already on my shirt. So all I have to do now is to start triple barrel waving. And the first section, and then with the triple barrel waver, hold, hold, hold. Can you see that texture? Starting to come through, just lovely. Really nice. So we get that gorgeous barreled, like kind of mermaid effect almost. It's like that lovely little ripple to the hair. Take the sections, past sections. You know, I don't want to damage the wig, so I'm very aware not to go too harsh. You see? You can see that's giving us that lovely effect. Then what I do when I triple barrel waved is I just break that up a little bit, okay? So with my fingers, I just break it up. Okay, with the fingers, break it up. So if this was on your own head, you could tilt your head back slightly and slightly shake it. But the idea is that we don't want to mess the texture up too much, but the texture will naturally drop on its own, ladies and gentlemen. So, you know, we don't want to overwork it because otherwise we could ruin it, but we just want to break it up a little bit. Does that make sense? Break it up. So what do we all think to that, guys? I mean, I love that. So that's Laurie from the Fair Fashion Collection. She has a Confidence Plus cap. This is in colour 9/28/25, and I think the colour is gorgeous. What do you guys think to this style? Do you like it? Do you like the texture? I love it. From me and Laurie from the Fair Fashion Collection, with now her mermaid wave, and all of us here at René, Paris and Aderans, thank you for tuning in today. It's been lovely to have you with us. Tell us what you've enjoyed. Tell us if you're going to try some of this, and if you do, we'd love to see your pictures. But for now, remember, follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now. Thank you.